So first you need Node.js. Install the LTS version of Node.js. Then go to command prompt and check for node version, node-v. Also check for npm version. After you have these two in your system, then type workbench download. Click on this link, click on go to downloads page, download the community version, which is a larger file. After you download it, install this, and when it asks you to create a password, create root as your password, then open workbench. So click on this plus icon, give your connection a name. I'll give it as 5 connection. Click OK. Open this connection, type your password, click OK, and here click on this create new schema icon. So I'll give a name for my schema, which is 5_db. Click apply, click finish. Your new schema should be here. Open this and right click on tables, click on create table. You give your table a name. I'll give it as 5 table. Give a primary key, give this as an auto increment. For default values you can give some column names, column 1 tab, column 2 tab, column 3. Okay, for default expression I'll have dummy data, enter dummy data 2 and different. Okay, so click on apply. What's this? Click on apply. Duplicate column 2. So create this as column 3. Column name should be different. Then click apply, click finish. Then a new table should be created for you. Click on this icon. So here we have no data, so I will type 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then I'll click on apply, finish. So our dummy data should be created. Okay. So now copy your note your db name, 5db 5 table. Okay, db and table name. Now close this, close everything. Now create a new folder. Okay, 5 API. Okay, open this folder in VS Code, click trust, open new terminal and type npm init-y. This should create a JSON file. In this JSON type and module. Okay, click save. And now we need to install 2 dependencies. So npm install MySQL2, then npm install express. Okay, so these 2 dependencies should be installed. After these are installed, create a new file called index.js. Here import those two dependencies. Import MySQL2 MySQL2. Okay, and same for the express. Import express from express. Okay, now we have to create a new connection. So const connection equal to MySQL2 create connection. So this receives an object with the values of our connection to our database. Okay, so host is localhost. It can also be as this IP address, like 127.0.0.1. So this is the IP address for localhost. And then database. So our database is 5_db. So now the user is root, and password is also root. Okay, in your case it might be different. So that's all for our connection. And now we create the express app. So const app equal to express. So this is a function that we just call here. So now we give the port, const port 5000. So this is just a variable. We'll use this variable now. So now in our app we listen to the port. So port 5000, and the second argument is a callback function. So here we'll console.log server http://localhost then our port. Okay, so we are just logging here to the console, and then onto our connection we call the connect method. Okay, so this receives a callback function. Okay. So if there is any error in our connection, then throw error. Okay, so we are just we are logging database connected. Okay, this is all for listen. And now after we listen to our app, then we use our app.use. Okay, we should give, now here we give the path on which our API will get some data. Okay, so our path will be all. You can have this as you wish. So here this as a second argument, as a second argument we pass a callback function. So as a second argument we pass a callback function, request response. So the default arguments are request and response. Here for our SQL query. Oh, spelling mistake. Okay, we do nothing but select star from our table name. So our table name is 5.table. Okay, select star from table, that's all. And onto our connection we call the query method, and then we pass the query as first argument, and the second argument is a callback function. So first argument will be error, second argument will be result of our query, result of our SQL query. Okay, so if there is any error, then throw error, or else response dot send a result. So we are sending the result to the response object. Okay, if everything works fine, this will send the, if data is received from querying this, then it will send the result. So now what we do is we type the command node index.js. So our database is connected, everything, our API is running on this server. So now we click, we should see nothing, because this URL gives us nothing. When we type all and type enter, when we type all and press enter, we should see our data. So this is a basic API, Node.js API. Okay, so this is the data in our database. We can check. So different data, 5 different, everything is same. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time, see you next week.